welcome to Teen Time with the Livermore Public Library. My name is Caitlin and I am your teen programming librarian. Today we are going to make mug cakes. That's right. So grab your favorite microwave safe mug and a few pantry staples and you'll be able to enjoy a tasty dessert. We're also going to talk about Livermore Reads Together. Voting is happening right now, so you can help choose which book we read for next year's Livermore Reads Together. Also, I'm going to highlight a new book list available on our website, and we have our book recommendations from Librarian Jennifer, our teen literature expert. Let's take a look at how you make your mug cake. Now, let me show you how to vote for the 2021 Livermore Reads Together book. Every February, the Livermore Public Library hosts an event called Livermore Reads Together. Library staff comes up with a list of book suggestions pertaining to that year's theme, and Livermore residents vote for the book that they like best. Now until June 28th at 6 p.m., you can help us choose the book for the 2021 Livermore Reads Together program. To get to the voting page, tab through the news items on the front page of the library's website until you see the voting icon. Click on it and you'll be taken to the survey. Livermore Reads Together 2021 will celebrate Black History Month and explore racial justice. There are 6 books to choose from, including a graphic novel, a teen nonfiction book, and a teen fiction book. This year's titles are The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas, The Underground Railroad by Colson Whitehead, March, Book 1 by John Lewis, How to Be an Anti-Racist by Ibram X. Kendi, Their Eyes Were Watching God by Zora Neale Hurston, and Stamped, Racism, Anti-Racism, and You by Jason Reynolds and Ibram X. Kendi. Click on the circle next to whichever book you like best, then scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click Done. Your vote is counted, and all you have to do is wait for the library to announce the winner. Back on our homepage, I also want to call attention to our newest book lists. Click on that first news item there, and you'll be taken to a page that contains our 3 newest book lists, Black Lives Matter Suggested Reads. These lists contain age-appropriate books in fiction and nonfiction on the topics of equity, prejudices, and inclusion. People who are seeking to educate themselves and their families or friends about the issues faced by Black Americans but are not sure where to begin can use the following book lists to get started and learn more. Our list for teens is called Social Justice Reading for Teens. These books will appeal to readers interested in learning more about civil rights, prejudice and racism, women's rights, LGBTQ rights, and refugees. The links to both the Livermore Reads Together survey and the Teen Social Justice book list will be in the description. Librarian Jennifer has 2 more great book recommendations for us. But before we get to those, do you have any books that you would recommend? Do you have any books that you want us to feature on this feature? Let us know in social media or in the comments, and we may include it in a future Teen Time video. But until then, let's take a look at what Jennifer has to say. With all of the turmoil surrounding the death of George Floyd, some readers are reaching for a story to help them escape. But others are reaching for stories that will inspire and teach them, make them think. Librarian Jennifer has just the book for those readers. Internment by Samira Ahmed, available on Overdrive in ebook and e-audiobook formats. Set in near-future America, Layla and her parents are forced into an internment camp for Muslim Americans, much as the Japanese were during World War II. As Layla struggles with all that is happening in her immediate world, she works with her new friends inside the camp, her boyfriend who is outside the gates, and a surprising ally in a camp guard to resist the imprisonment and organize a revolt. The lessons in this book offer a modern-day look at just how possible it is for history to repeat itself. It is a story to be read and discussed, and it is encouragement for resisting the way that things have always been. This week's graphic novel recommendation is a memoir about immigration. For so long, it had just been Robin and her mom. Then Mom takes Robin on what her mom says is a vacation from their home in Korea to see friends in America. Except it wasn't a vacation. It was a move to a new life with a new stepfather. Robin finds herself uprooted from the familiar, comfortable life she led in Korea and plopped right in the middle of a very Caucasian Alabama town. Surviving has so many different meanings. This was a powerful glimpse into Korean culture and family, a look at trying to create better life situations, a hint of the struggles a single mom has, and a peek at adapting to new school environments. In a word, this graphic novel memoir covers topics that will appeal to any teen or adult. Librarian Jennifer says, "I'm not an immigrant, but those new school environments? Oh wow, did Robin strike a nerve. I felt every ounce of Robin's pain at trying to fit in at her new school. She captured it perfectly. Cracking into a group of people who have been together since infancy is one of the most difficult things I ever did." So that's it for Teen Time with the Livermore Public Library. I do hope you enjoy your mug cake, and I really hope that you vote and help us choose the book for Livermore Reads Together 2021. We are celebrating Black History Month, and there are more teen books in the running than there have been in the past, so that's really cool. Help us choose one. Enjoy your book recommendations from Librarian Jennifer, and I will see you next time.